and had joined the audience. I don't know if you noticed. There were two egrets, I think, perched on that tree up there listening to us, and maybe they'll come back. Um, so what Vipul and I will do this evening is really just put forth in front of you some poetry that we've been fortunate enough to have been able to hear, listen, and imbibe, and share simple translations, because I know a lot of this poetry is inaccessible for Hindi, and even Hindi speakers often don't relate to the dialects that come in this poetry. And again, to submit that what we share are just perspectives and interpretations based on our experiences of this poetry or our learnings from gurus in the field, which is not to say that that's the only meaning in the poetry, because great poetry is inhabitable by different people's own experiences. So, to start with some dohas, we all relate Kabir to dohas. Very few people actually in cities know that Kabir के भजन भी होते हैं. Mostly you meet people, they'll say, अच्छा आप दोहे सुनाएंगे. Because we've all been subjected to them in the Hindi textbook, I think, in school.
Yeah.
But when you experience this truth in a moment of lived experience, it begins to glow and come alive. So Kabir, as Rama and others pointed out, drew intuitively from nature in incredible ways. He was always observing. And what he observed got captured in poetry, which held simple but profound truths. This might relate to many of us as city people. दौड़त दौड़त दौड़िया जहाँ लग मन की दौड़ दौड़ थके मन स्थिर भया तो वस्तु ठोर की ठोर. You ran as far as your mind could run. दौड़ थके मन स्थिर भया. But when your mind grew tired of running and became still, you found what you were looking for right there. तो धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे सब कुछ हो. माली सिंचे सो घड़ा झिरे, माली सिंचे सो घड़ा. ऋतु आए फल होय रे 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 रे, ऋतु आए फल होय. So slowly, slowly, oh my mind, Kabir is telling his restless, impatient heart, like we all could. Dheere sab kuch hoye. Everything happens in its own rhythm. I mean, I think if we truly begin to connect with the rhythms of nature, we slow down. तो धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे सब कुछ होई. Mali sinche so ghada. The gardener may pour 100 water pots into that plant to make it grow faster, but Ritu aaye phal hoy. The fruit shall arrive only with the season. ऊंचे पानी ना टिके और नीचे ही ठहरा. जो नर ऊंचा होई रहा प्यासा ही मर जाए. Another simple observation. ऊंचे पानी ना टिके नीचे ही ठहराए. Water doesn't gather in high places. It gathers in the low. That man who tries to be very high and self-important, जो नर ऊंचा होई रहा, प्यासा ही मर जाए, will die thirsty. तो फूलिया फालिया क्या फिरे, क्या बतलावत अंग, एक दिन फना हो जाएगा जैसे कीट पतंग. Why do you strut about so puffed up and self-important? One day you'll bite the dust, like the moth burns up in the flame. तो बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे घेर पेड़ खजूर, पंथी को छाया नहीं, फल लागे अति दूर. So if you are so tall and big, you date palm tree. Many of us must have heard this. You are useless in all your high and mightiness because you don't give any shade to passers-by. Panthi ko chhaya nahi, and your fruit is out of reach. तो नमन बड़ी संसार में, नहीं नमे सो नीच, धारा से पर्वत कटे और डूंगल धार के बीच. So many simple observations. नमन बड़ी संसार में, to be humble is an incredible gift, quality. नहीं नमे सो नीच, only a really callow person wouldn't bow down. धारा से पर्वत कटे, that proud cliff is cut through by the water. डूंगल धार के बीच, but the weed that grows in that stream of water and learns to bow down with the flow of the water stays alive. So we'll start with a song from Malwa. A song I've learned from Prahlad Singh Tipania ji, from whom I've learned a lot of Kabir. And it evokes this image of the body as the earth, and that if we allow the earth and the body to self-correct and heal, it has incredible innate wisdom. So why are you looking outside to fix these problems? Connect within. So he says, Panchida bhai, ban ban kyon dole re, teri kaya re nagari mein hari om, ina haryala baga mein satnam. And then there is a series of images. So the garden is right here. And why are you wandering in the forest? O Panchida bhai, kyun baitho andhyara mein? Why are you sitting in darkness? The true light of the temple is flickering here. And it ends with a beautiful image. You're in a Hirawali heart, a diamond mind, but Malara Motira bikhreya jaye. But the pearls of your necklace are scattering. Surta se pole re, bring your awareness and beat them back into a string together. Panchida bhai, Panchida bhai, ban ban kyun dole re, Panchida bhai, ban ban mat bhatake re, teri kaya re nagari mein hari ina हरियाला बागा में सतनाम. सो हम
हाँ बन बन क्यों डोले रे।
पंछीड़ा भाई हाँ, पंछीड़ा भाई क्यों बैठो अंधियार में। पंछीड़ा भाई मत बैठो अंधियार में।
धीरी देही का देवलिया में जागे जो, इना हरियाला बागा में जागे जो। हाँ गुरु का मझल मन जल खेले। हाँ बन बन क्यों डोले रे।
पंछीड़ा भाई हाँ, पंछीड़ा भाई कहीं बैठो प्यासो रे। पंछीड़ा भाई मत बैठो प्यासो रे।
दीदी त्रिवेणी का घाट गंगली, नीले त्रिवेणी का घाट गंगली। हाँ मन राड़ो मेलो ढोले रे। हाँ बन बन क्यों डोले रे।